Once upon a time, nestled between towering mountains and meandering rivers, there existed a mystical forest known as Whisperwood. Legends spoke of its enchantment and the secrets it held within its ancient trees. But very few had ever laid eyes upon its hidden splendor. In a small village nearby, there lived a young girl named Donna. She had always been fascinated by tales of the secret forest and yearned to discover its mysteries. One day, driven by her insatiable curiosity, she embarked on a daring adventure to find Whisperwood. Armed with a worn map and her unwavering determination, Donna ventured deep into the wilderness. The forest welcomed her with a gentle breeze, its leaves whispering promises of wonder and adventure. With each step, she felt the air grow thicker with magic. As she delved deeper into the heart of Whisperwood, the forest revealed its true nature. Trees stood tall and majestic, their branches intertwined like guardian sentinels. Rays of sunlight danced through the canopy, casting a kaleidoscope of colors upon the forest floor. Suddenly, Donna noticed a faint glow emanating from a hidden glade. Curiosity sparked within her, urging her to investigate. Pushing aside overgrown vines, she stepped into the clearing and gasped in awe. Before her eyes stood a magnificent tree, unlike any she had ever seen. Its bark shimmered with iridescent hues, its branches reaching out like arms embracing the secrets of the forest. Nestled within the tree's trunk was a door, intricately carved and adorned with mystical symbols. Driven by a sense of wonder and intrigue, Donna gently pushed open the door and stepped into a realm of pure enchantment. The secret forest revealed itself in all its glory. Magical creatures roamed freely, and shimmering fairies flitted through the air, their delicate wings leaving trails of sparkling stardust. Donna embarked on a journey of discovery, guided by the forest's whispers. She encountered talking animals who shared their wisdom and ancient spirits who revealed the forest's hidden history. She learned the language of the trees and danced with the nymphs under the moonlit sky. As days turned into weeks, Donna's connection with the secret forest deepened. She discovered a hidden waterfall, its cascading waters imbued with healing properties. She encountered a wise old owl who bestowed upon her the gift of insight and intuition. And she met the elusive forest guardian, a majestic stag whose gentle eyes held the wisdom of ages. With newfound knowledge and a heart filled with gratitude, Donna bid farewell to the secret forest. She carried its magic within her, vowing to protect the delicate balance between the human world and the enchanted realm. Returning to her village, Donna shared her incredible adventure with wide-eyed villagers who listened in awe. From that day forward, a new understanding and reverence for nature bloomed in their hearts. They recognized the importance of preserving the delicate harmony between mankind and the natural world. Whisperwood, the secret forest, remained a mystical realm hidden from those who didn't possess the purest of hearts. But for Donna, its magic would forever be intertwined with her own story. And as she grew older, she would pass down the tales of the secret forest to future generations, ensuring that its wonders and wisdom lived on for eternity.